What's that for? No!
For you! 48 hours! So we believe in cross-training. You just never know what's going to happen.
I am not driving that Smart down those ramps. Do they have to be so far away?
So we,
What's that for?
that's to hold the Smart car there. So what we do is we'll take these two off, put the ramps on, and then once we know the ramps are secure, then we'll take the other straps off, again for safety. How long has it been since the car's been off the truck?
I think it's been about 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
5 weeks to Smart. I hope it starts.
You remember how to do it?
Really? It's been a while.
Yes, we pulled the strap.
What's in there?
Number one question. How do you get that thing off there? Ramps.
We're not gonna pierce a tire, are we?
Do what?
Well, that's helpful.
So I don't break my nail, because I can't get my nails in here. I use my kitchen pliers, and then I just flip it so when I do it back and forth. So life hacks from Nana.
Aww, look how nice and neat it got folded.
Safety first. Because you never know if you're going to be in an emergency situation. You have to get it stuff. That's another reason why we like things nice and neat and everything put in its place. Because you've got to react fast. You don't want to be spending all your time looking for stuff.
Or unraveling a knot.
Yeah, exactly. Do it enough times, it's muscle memory. So like as soon as he unstraps that, you'll notice he unhooks it from down here, Jordan, the eye hook. See that hook right there?
Oh, yeah.
So as soon as he unhooks it, you're going to see that he's going to push it down. It's muscle memory, because if you don't, the car won't roll off. Ask us how we know. Now there's a stick, but that's okay. So again, it's that muscle memory. Like when you do all your dancing.
Yeah, you can relate to that.
Yeah.
That Fred Astaire stuff.
Oh, it's been a while.
Do you remember the father-daughter dance?
I do. She was surprised. She's like, "Oh, Daddy."
What are you doing?
West Coast swing.
Whatever.
I thought you did the Texas two-step.
No! Oh my goodness.
He was just on beat. That's all I cared about. It started. Yay! Ah!
It's not raining, even though it's cold. It's May, and I have my parka on.
Oh, and your earmuffs.
And my earmuffs. Stop talking.
Oh yeah, like a well-oiled machine.
I don't know how many times we've done this over 10 years, but man, 1,000.
Yeah, about 1,000 times.
Well, y'all got everything just all tucked in there, don't you? Oh yeah. What else can we fit in there? Let's see, we've got about, 10 square inches of space.
That's right. What can you fit in there? Squeegee. My washing extension pole. All right. Done.